Alright, hello everyone. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on the song Wither by Frank Ocean. I looked up online, I didn't see any tutorials, but we did find a Reddit post that seemed to have the correct chords. And so I'm just going to show you here and I'll just describe what's going on really quick. Alright, so for the left hand, it's E flat major, E flat, G, B flat. And for the right hand, you put your thumb on C, and then the same three notes, E flat, G, and B flat. So that's the first chord. Then we move, I'll start with the right hand. Our right hand just comes down here, C, D, F. And then our left hand comes from up here, just goes to D, F, and A, and plays together. So from here, down. Alright, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's like a D minor 7 chord. And then from here, the right hand's just going to play two notes, C and E. And the left hand from D, F, A, it's going to go E, G, B. So this comes from here, just up notes. And from here it's really easy. The last chord, it's two C major 7s. So from here you're going to add your pinky to the C, and from the C, E, you're going to add G and B. So, and that's it. Really simple. Once you get it down, like the hand movements, it honestly just flows really nicely together and sounds even more beautiful. Yeah, I absolutely love these two C major 7 chords stacked. It's perfect. Alright, take care.